Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into something vibrant and essential for any classroom setting: cactus cutouts for bulletin board decoration. If you're looking to spruce up your learning environment with a touch of desert charm, you've come to the right place. These cactus cutouts from Fantasyland are more than just decorative pieces. They're a perfect blend of fun and functionality. Whether you're a teacher prepping your classroom for the new school year or a parent enhancing a homeschooling setup, these cutouts promise to add a refreshing look to any space. You get a set of 36 colorful cutouts in various shapes and sizes, ranging from 3.4 inches to 7.1 inches. Each one features unique designs, carefully crafted to capture the essence of cacti in a playful way. Designed with educational environments in mind, these cutouts are ideal for bulletin boards, windows, walls, and even for creative class projects. They instantly brighten up the room and engage students in a visually stimulating way. Beyond the classroom, these cutouts are versatile for DIY crafts. From creating photo booth backgrounds to decorating welcome banners, the possibilities are as vast as your imagination. Made from sturdy cardstock, these cutouts are built to last through the school year, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. Now, you might wonder, what sets these apart from other options? While there are similar products on the market, the attention to detail in design and the quality of materials make Fantasyland's cactus cutouts a standout choice. Although we won't delve into customer reviews today, it's worth noting the high ratings and positive feedback these cutouts have garnered. They've become a favorite among educators and parents alike, praised for their quality and vibrant appeal. In conclusion, if you're aiming to create an inviting and inspiring classroom environment or looking for a fun addition to your homeschooling setup, these cactus cutouts from Fantasyland are your best bet. They combine creativity with practicality, ensuring that your educational space remains engaging and lively. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check the description box below for links to purchase these cutouts and more information. And if you've enjoyed today's review, hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique. Stay curious and stay informed.